In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Gumroad. Whether you're a seasoned Gumroad user or just exploring this platform for the first time, this tutorial will guide you through the simple process of setting up your PayPal payment method. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Gumroad's website. If you're not familiar, Gumroad is a convenient platform where creators can sell their digital products directly to consumers. Now, once you're on Gumroad's homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the login button. You'll find this option typically at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Once you are on the login page, you'll be prompted to log into your Gumroad account. If you're a Google user, you can simply click on the Google option and choose the account you'd like to use to access your Gumroad account. This streamlines the process and eliminates the need to remember yet another password. Select your desired Google account, and after confirming any security prompts that appear, you will be redirected to your Gumroad dashboard. Navigating from your dashboard, the next step is to access your settings. Look for the settings menu, which might appear as an icon resembling a gear or as a labeled option. Click on it to explore various account settings available to you. In the settings, what you're interested in is the payments section. Find and click on payments, and here you'll have the opportunity to manage how you receive payments for your purchases or how you set up payments for products you sell. Within this section you'll see several options, including credit card and bank transfer options. But for today's tutorial focus, you'll want to select the option marked PayPal. Now this is where the magic happens. Simply click on PayPal to start adding your PayPal details. Here you should see a prompt asking for your PayPal account information. Carefully enter your PayPal email address. This is crucial as it's where you'll receive the funds or handle transactions. Ensure you double check any details you provide to avoid any mishaps with payments down the line. By completing this, you've successfully linked your PayPal account to your Gumroad profile. This means that whenever you make or receive payments on Gumroad, you now have the option to use PayPal, a secure and widely trusted payment method. Congratulations, you have now set up your account to handle payments with ease. This not only provides flexibility but also enhances the overall convenience of your shopping or sales experience on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to explore more on Gumroad's features or check out additional tutorials if you have any other queries. See you next time.